chillier this morning when I walked out than I realized.
Yeah, you know, it was the cooler nights because it's dry, but then drier air is easier to warm back up, so it gets back up into the 80s again for high temperatures today. Let me show you across the country what we're dealing with. The red represents warmer than normal. So look at that, 18 degrees warmer than where we should be in Austin, 13 degrees warmer in Dallas. This is today at 3 p.m. How about tomorrow? Still, most of the country dealing with unseasonable mild temperatures, 18 degrees warmer again tomorrow in Austin. And Sunday as well, pretty much about 99% of the lower 48 dealing with this warm stretch here. So we're talking about it through the weekend. It's not just in central Texas, it's for all of us across the country. Here's what's going on. Clouds and radar, low pressure system to our north and east. That's yesterday's cold front that moved through high pressure to the east coast and our next storm system up toward the Pacific Northwest. So there's the front. Kicked up some pretty good severe weather for eastern portions of Texas. Let me zoom on in and show you the storm reports. Multiple confirmed tornadoes. We saw a lot of them on social media. Here's several of the reports here. One in Dayton, which is in northeastern parts of the Houston metro. One in southwestern parts of the metro. Look at this. Multiple reports and videos of tornadoes on the ground. Social media video of a waterspout over Lake Houston that moved on to land. Another social media post in Dayton, Texas. So this was all well to the east of us. We didn't have any severe weather, thankfully, in central Texas. Right now, currently clouds and radar, just a little line of showers that's weakening pretty substantially. A lot of dry air. Those dew points, they're in the 20s and 30s west of I-35, so not a lot of that is falling to the surface. Different come tomorrow morning. Clouds and radar, a little bit of partly cloudy conditions moving through this morning. That should clear out with sunshine throughout the late morning into the afternoon hours. Clouds will build back in overnight tonight into the start of your Saturday. You're going to kick off your Saturday morning with maybe a spot shower, and then here comes a little bit of storm activity up toward San Saba and Lampasas. Notice the timing for this, 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Pretty quickly, though, this will move through, so no need to cancel any sort of outdoor plans or even a lunch reservation, because notice by 9:30, most of us dealing with pretty much clear conditions throughout the remainder of Saturday into Sunday. That same model is given about a few hundredths of an inch in Austin, less than a tenth of an inch. Farther up north toward Lampasas and San Saba, that's where you could get close to a half an inch. I'm staying on the low side, though, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch north of Round Rock and Georgetown to San Saba, and then farther down south toward San Marcos. You know, really nothing, to be honest with you, less than a tenth of an inch there. High temperatures today, 79 in Austin. Our record high is actually 79 set back in 2021, so I think we'll at least tie it, if not pass it. Saturday, 80 degrees, Sunday, 76. Near record high temperatures will continue through the first half of next week. 79 today, winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Increase in clouds, so we'll stay on the mild side. 60 degrees tonight. In your first warning weather 7-day forecast, 20% chance of rain tomorrow morning. But besides that, warm and dry to close out the year.